How to fix Shopify failed to load the page. I'm going to tell you how to fix the failed to load the page error on Shopify. If you're facing the issue, it's usually caused by a poor internet connection, browser issue, or Shopify server problems. First, refresh the page or try opening Shopify in an incognito or private browsing window. If that doesn't work, clear your browser's cache and cookies by going to your browser settings. Also, make sure you're using a supported browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, and that it's updated. If the issue persists, check your internet connection and try switching to a different network or restarting your router. You should also disable any browser extensions that might be interfering with Shopify. Sometimes, Shopify servers experience downtime. To check if that's the case, visit Shopify status page or their official social media accounts for updates. If everything seems fine but the issue continues, try accessing Shopify on a different device or through the Shopify mobile app.